Hi, I'm Chef Fabio, Ariston Culinary Ambassador. Today I will be teaching you how to prepare a thin crust pizza from the scratch using Ariston microwave oven. This 5-in-1 microwave oven has many cooking functions, such as baking, steaming, grilled and crisping. This pizza recipe is very easy to do. Once the dough is ready, you just need the base, the toppings, and in a few minutes your pizza is ready. And pizza is something that everybody loves. Before put the dough inside the oven, use a fork and poke some holes in the crust. This is prevent some bubble during the baking. For this pizza recipe, I use in Dynamic Crisp function. And the secret of this function is this plate. This plate heats up super fast from the 0 to 210 degrees in 2 minutes. Before was just possible to do a very nice crispy pizza in the traditional oven. But now you can use a microwave to make a crispy and this nice color pizza, and maybe much faster than traditional oven. After pre-cook the dough, now it's time for the sauce and toppings. Don't make a thick layer of tomato sauce to prevent from become soggy. Now you can use any toppings you want. Normally the base is cheese, and on top you can use chicken, beef, pepperoni, whatever. And after that they go back to the oven, the function grill, for around 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. I usually prepare pizza in the traditional oven because I need the pizza crispy. But with Ariston microwave oven, I can do the same, but much faster, because I don't need to preheat the oven. Thanks to Ariston dual emission technology, the pizza comes out crispy and beautiful. Now cooking is much easier and faster.